Hey, it's Joe Flynn. It's 5:18 p.m. We're just finishing up with Hurricane Irene here. Something just happened right in front of me. If you bring the camera this way, something just happened right in front of me. Literally a minute ago. Come get close up to this right here. This is a roof tarring that's been flying. Apparently, Lord knows if it came off this building or is traveling. But look how hard it hit just a few minutes ago. This is in 3:20 in the afternoon in Manhattan. On Gramercy Park. Let me remove this now. Go ahead and back up a little. This is how hard it hit. Whoa! Hey, we gotta watch out. Yeah, come on. No, I'm watching you. We gotta remove this. I know that. Still? I'm filming it. Okay. Anyways, it's best to stay indoors still. This just flew down the street and almost took my head off.